Hey! Welcome to How's It Channel. In today's video, we will show you how to pay eBay with a gift card. Open your web browser and go to the eBay webpage. Select the product you want to purchase. Click on Buy It Now. Scroll down and look for Add Coupons. This is a tutorial video, so we don't have the real gift card code. All you have to do is enter the code from your gift card and click on Apply. The value of the gift card will be deducted from your order total. Click on Confirm and Pay to finish your purchase. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!